Plant is called horseradish plant. What is benefit in poultry and livestock?
Hello, this plant you are seeing on the screen is called horseradish plant. Horseradish plant. Amoresia rusticana is the botanical name. It is not just a spicy root, it is leaves with rich and essential nutrient and biotic compounds that can boost the growth and immunity and disease resistance to your poultry and livestock animals. In organic poultry farming, using horseradish leaf extract or dried leaf powder in feed is a natural way to cut costs, enhance performance, and reduce the need for antibiotics and synthetic additives. If you're a poultry farmer, the aim of every poultry farmer is to maximize profits and reduce costs. This horseradish plant can help you to maximize your profit and reduce costs of running your poultry and livestock animals. Before I continue, you have seen the topic. I'll give you the nutritional and health benefits of horseradish plant and how to make use of it, how to prepare it, the dosage for each of the livestock animal stages, including poultry and four-legged animals, and the best way to use it to maximize your profit in poultry farming. Let's start with the 20 health benefits and nutritional benefits of horseradish leaf in poultry and livestock. 1. Natural antibiotic effect. This plant fights internal infections without chemicals. Very high in calcium, which improves bone strength and eggshell quality. In laying birds, you are going to get massive egg. Even if the egg fall on the ground, it will hardly break because of the strength of the shell. Very rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C boosts immunity and fights stress. Natural dewormer also. It helps to eliminate internal parasites from poultry and livestock animals. Anti-inflammatory properties. It reduces swelling in joints and organs of your poultry and livestock animals also. It improves respiratory health, clears the airways and boosts lung function in poultry and livestock. Very rich antioxidants, prevents cell damage and supports organ health. Appetite stimulator. It increases feed intake in weak birds and at the same time help them to maximize the feed conversion ratio. It promotes weight gain, improve feed to weight conversion ratio. Antibacterial properties, fights E. coli and other harmful bacteria from your poultry and livestock animals, and enhances fertility in breeders, improve egg quality, egg fertility and hatchability in breeder stock. It helps in detoxification, support liver and kidney functions, improves egg production. It boosts laying frequency in egg laying birds. They can lay every week if you are giving them this particular juice. It enhances the egg drop and at the same time your egg peak in a week will increase. It balances gut flora, enhances digestion and nutrient absorption. It supports feather growth, shiny, hairy plumage in your poultry birds. If you see your broiler, the color will look very smooth and very sharp. It supports feather growth, reduces heat stress, and naturally cool internal system of your poultry birds. Their body will always be chilled, be good enough for them to go on with their life. Fight fungal infection to help prevent yeast and crop issues. It improves circulation, supports heart and blood flow in the body system of the animal. And once the blood is flowing very well, it clears every infection that is attached to their system. Strengthens immune system. The chickens will grow with less sickness, better resistance to diseases and infections. Reduces mortality to the barest minimum. It keeps more birds alive and thriving. What are the poultry diseases horseradish leaf juice can help you prevent or cure completely? Number 1 is chronic respiratory disease, CROD. Number 2 is fowl cholera. Number 3 is worm infestations, roundworms and tapeworms. Number 4 is infectious coryza. Avian influenza. It supports therapy to avian influenza and coccidiosis. It clears and treats coccidiosis completely. How to prepare horseradish leaf extract or feed supplement for your poultry and livestock animals. First is through the juice and through the extract. Now, harvest 2 handfuls of fresh horseradish leaves. Wash thoroughly and chop into pieces with clean water. Boil it in 2 liters of clean water for 20 to 30 minutes. The color of that water will change. You see the natural color of this particular extract into the water. Allow it to cool for hours and strain the water out. Then store in a cool bottle for future use. You can refrigerate it if you want to use it for other days. After refrigerating it, now as feed supplement, you can still use it as supplement to supplement the feed to reduce the cost of feeding your poultry and livestock animals. First, you have to air dry it after harvesting and washing it. Air dry it or sun dry fresh horseradish leaf until it crisps and it becomes, at least reduces the moisture content so it will not spoil. You can still use air dry or sun dry, any one at all. Then grind it into powder using a blender or a grinding machine. Now store it in airtight container in a cool, dry place. Don't allow rat to go and eat it. Rat like eating this because it is very tasty and it is highly nutritional. Now, what are the dosage for poultry and livestock animals? Let's start with day old chicks. For the first 1 week, use 5 ml, 1 to 2 grams for 3 days in a week. Then 1 to 4 weeks old, use 10 ml or 2 to 5 grams if you are using the powder one. 3 to 4 days in a week. Now, 5 to 8 weeks old broilers or layers, use 20 ml or 6 to 8 grams if you are using the dried one. Then that should be 4 to 5 days in a week. Another one is for adult birds that are laying or other breeders that are already laying. Use 30 ml or 10 grams 5 days in a week. Then for goats, sheep and rest, 100 ml orally or in water. That should be 2 to 3 days in a week. Then for big animals like cattle, what you do is 200 to 300 ml should be used orally, and it should be given to 2 to 3 times in a week. You are going to get amazing results, wonderful results. Then all this, how to administer it is one, through drinking water. Listen, method is add the liquid extract to the clean drinking water of your poultry and livestock animals, the one they will drink throughout the day. Then for feed, mix the dry powder, grind powder evenly into feed mash or pellets and give it to your poultry birds. Oral, you can still give to the sick bird that cannot drink or eat. Then use your syringe, the injection syringe, drop it and feed them directly into their mouth and close their mouth. They will take it. Then that's how the only way you can keep them healthy. Horseradish leaves are a powerful plant, organic plant for poultry and livestock animals. It is overlooked and it has resources that are good for organic poultry and livestock farming. Whether used as a juice or feed additives, they enhance birds' growth, reduce feeding costs, improve health, and at the same time prevent diseases, all naturally. Enhance the herbal powerhouse and transform your poultry production effectively and substantially. Add profit, make profit, and at the same time maximize their profit. Thank you for watching the video till the next video is uploaded. For now, till then, make sure you subscribe to our both channels, both Dr. Leo Charles and the Poultry Side TV. All these channels treat everything concerning poultry, both organic and synthetic. Anything you need in poultry is covered in these 2 channels. Then all these plants I'm teaching you here, both this horseradish, are all built in this Eco Bio Booster. Buy this product and go and rest. This is organic tea for your poultry birds. It is as food and at the same time feed additive and at the same time health. Protect them from having any infection, protect them from mortality. It helps them to get the right minerals and vitamins for their optimal growth and weight. It helps laying birds also to lay constantly and solid eggshells. This is liquid tea, just like yogurt to your poultry birds. This one has been booked. You can see that the name of the owner is already written here. It has booked. This is living. It's going to Omahia. You can see it. Going to Omahia State. You can see it here. It's going to Omahia State tomorrow morning. So it has been booked. Buy your own today. If you need it now, send me a message on my WhatsApp line instantly. Ask for the account detail. I'll give you the account detail. Then you pay the money and pay for the way bill. We send it directly to your state or your region, wherever you are residing on this earth. We are going to locate you and give it to you. Thank you for watching. Join the channel community membership. Choose any of the membership you need. Use your bank card and do the necessary things. Enter all the details and become a channel member so that you get unlimited patronage and support to your agri and poultry livestock business. We can guide you. We can give you guidance. We can at the same time do a lot of work for you, answer your questions, and at the same time guide you so that you get the best and maximum result from this particular feathered bird. Thank you for watching. Till the next video is uploaded. Bye for now.